Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on AGM Mobile Pad P2. If you want to connect with Wi-Fi, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, and now make sure Wi-Fi is enabled, and you can choose your Wi-Fi network. Then enter its password if it's locked with a password. And if it was entered correctly, it should say it's connected, but it didn't connect, so we can try again. And now it says it's connected and displays a Wi-Fi symbol in top right corner. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.